Testing of transformer test to find out the losses of transformer. First test is open circuit test. It is used for find out the iron losses, and second test is short circuit test. It is used to find out the copper losses. So there is two type of losses. One is fixed loss or constant loss, that is called iron loss, and one is variable loss, that is called copper loss. First we will see the open circuit test. In open circuit test, first we will make the circuit diagram. So in open circuit test there is a two winding of transformer. The primary winding is connected to the supply side and secondary winding is kept open. So this is open circuit, and this winding is generally we are open circuit the high voltage winding, and low voltage winding is given to supply. Now we will make the circuit diagram with all instruments connected, measurement instruments. So this is diagram, ammeter, this is voltmeter, so there is two windings, low voltage winding and high voltage winding. The all the measurement instrument is connected to lower voltage winding, and this is called the wattmeter. Wattmeter will measure the power of the primary side, and it is connected to the series of ammeter. Ammeter will read the current, and this voltage is connected across the primary winding. It is used to measure the voltage across the primary winding or supply voltage. So now we will see here, this is the AC supply, VAC. Now we will see here the we will give the rated voltage supply to the primary winding, so that open circuit test following readings we can find out. The first we will get the P0, that is the wattmeter reading. Then we will find out the ammeter reading, I0, and V1, that is called the voltage reading. So here the open circuit terminal in high voltage winding, low voltage supply is given here, rate voltage supply primary. So we will find out these readings, and now from these readings we can find out the parameters. The first parameter we will find out the cos phi 0 or no load power factor angle, that is cos phi 0. So we can find out cos phi 0 is equal to P0 upon V0 into I1, V1 into I0. So from this formula we can find out a no load power factor or open circuit test power factor. Similarly we can find out the two component of no load current. So no load current having two component, Im is equal to Im square plus Ic square. So Im is a magnetizing component of current, Ic is the coal loss component. So we know that magnetizing component is Im is equal to Im is equal to I0 sin phi 0 and Ic is equal to I0 cos phi 0. So from this component we can find out the I0, and I0 is equal to, we know that I0 is equal to Im square plus Ic square under root. Also we can find out the Z0. Z0 is the impedance of the no load component of the transformer, that is equal to V1 upon I0. And also we can find out the uh, R0. R0 is the resistance of no load resistance. So we can find out here resistance will be, cold loss resistance will be PRC is equal to P upon P0 upon I0 square. RC is equal to P0 upon I0 square. So this parameter we can find out from the open circuit test, and open circuit test is used to find out the iron losses. So this information we can find out, and no load parameters we can easily find out by this open circuit test.